My name's Tarek, and I'm the co-founder of Mirsee Robotics. We're a small robotics startup in Cambridge, and we build embedded vision systems as well as robotic avatars. And they're basically highly immersive, teleoperated robots. I met my co-founder at a hackathon in 2016, and we were both really into robotics, and we were wondering why you didn't really see robotics outside of the industrial automation space. And there were a lot of emerging technologies that were all coming together to make low-cost robotics possible. And this was something we thought we could do very well, and we decided to build a company around that. So we started out with the mission to build robotic avatars for healthcare and home care. So these would be humanoid robots that a caregiver would remotely log into, embody, and then perform various services as if they were physically there. So the caregiver would be able to see, hear, feel, interact with the world around them as if they were actually there. It sounds, super ambitious and a little far-fetched, but really all the sub-technologies to build such a system already exist. It's all about integrating them together in a way that works well. We were really good on the technical side. We were confident we could build what we say we would build. But we're also realistic, and we understand this is a large project. It's going to require significant capital, several years of development to get done well. It was too much of a jump to go from startup to commercializing a very sophisticated, expensive product. So we decided that we would take one of the technologies we developed, which was the vision system, and we would commercialize that. And that would be our first path to revenue, and it would be what builds our company to get to the end goal of building more sophisticated robots. What really drives us is just the opportunity to work on something as challenging and as complex as an avatar system. There's a lot of components involved, a lot of mechanisms that all have to be put together correctly to work, and it's not something that's easy to pull off. And I think because it's so difficult and because it's a challenge, it drives us to want to overcome it. So to me, respecting the process is understanding all the effort that goes into creating something. It's not just one person, it's an entire team. And when you really dig into it, you start to understand that there's a lot going on, and it's good to have an appreciation for all the details. We were lucky enough to be one of the first startups in Grand Innovations, and we've been absolutely thrilled here. It's beautiful space and just all the natural sunlight, and it's been incredible. And we really we moved to Cambridge to moved our business here, and we've been thrilled with the community here, and it's definitely growing, and we're really excited about it, and we think there's huge potential here.